Hello, marhaba, guten tag, buongiorno, sabah al khair, namaste. How are you, trader? This is Mario, fxotherway, the channel for traders run by a trader. In today's video, what I wanted to tell you is, alright, let's first think first. I really appreciate your comments, guys. You are wonderful. Your comments help me to build up this channel, to continue my work over here and to transmit my knowledge, my humble knowledge to you. I'm so glad some of you are writing about your success using these methods I present on my channel. Really appreciate it. Thanks very much. Maybe I don't answer all the comments straight away, or some I don't answer at all. It's just so many of them that I can't do it. So if I omitted, I'm sorry. And I'm sure one day I will respond to your comment. And you ask in your comments about day trading and to present you some issue, how to use the moon, the sun in daily trading on small time frames. I'll try to show it to you. First thing I want to tell you, maybe some of you, you've got problems with being profitable. So in order to that, most of you, probably most of you, I did it myself, so I know it for sure, is bad money management. It's bad money management and in general the approach to trading. So this so-called system is only 20% of the business. And another 80% is trading psychology and your money management. So I leave a link below this video. If you haven't seen it, please watch it because it's your money. It will help you to protect your money in a proper way. You wouldn't lose all your capital in one go in this way. Okay, so let's go straight to the subject. What I wanted to show you today is how to use planetary movement on daily trading, on intraday trading. Important thing is that for intraday, what we can use is the moon, which the fastest planet is moving, is just making 29.5 day makes for cycle, or 27.33 as you wish. Anyway, the average is 29 days, the time of whole cycle of the moon. So it's pretty fast. We've got the sun and we've got the third point. It's medium cieli or medium cieli or whatever you call it is mid-heaven. It's just the middle of the heaven at the given moment. So what I want to show you, I'm actually on EURUSD, so Aussie dollar 15 minutes chart, and I will just to guide you through the whole process of finding eventual potential turning points. It's not 100% working. Nothing is working 100%. But this is a good indicator. Let's start straight away. Look what I've got here. I've got Astrolog. Here is set on July 23rd. And here we are on July 23rd. I start from early morning. I have chosen Aussie dollar because it's still trading on, let's say, on European time, on GMT at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock GMT time. It's still trading and it smoothly goes through all day. Basically, this intraday planetary movements application works during the normal working hours. I mean, apart of the Asian session, I've got nothing against the Asian session. It's just the volume is much lower and during the night, from the European point of view, it doesn't work that well because it's not too many traders, not too many institutions. Well, let's start. So I'm at 4:30 a.m., July 23rd, my time, but in the same way is set the clock of my MT4, which I'm using, so it should be precise. Probably, I hope so. So what I want to stress, let's go. First of all, when you don't know how to move Astrolog by minutes, you press Shift. When you press Shift, keeping Shift pressed, you also press the number 2 on your keyboard, and then you can move minute by minute your astrologer display. So I already did it. I pressed Shift 2 and I'm starting pushing the plus button. In order to find, we have to find some aspects, whatever aspect it will be. Would it be a square, which is 90-degree difference or 270-degree difference? Would it be a trine, which is 120 or 240 difference between these three objects on the sky? So middle of the sky, the sun and the moon. And minute by minute we'll go through. It will be a very fast one. I promise. I wouldn't keep you 20 minutes with that. So let's go. I press plus and let's go. Nothing's happening. It's early morning, 5 a.m. GMT plus 1, so it's 4 a.m. Oh, we got a square. What time is it? 5:17 a.m. It's GMT plus 1 once again, so let's show it. It appears. I told you in my previous video, very often it happens that the movement related to aspect happens when the aspect disappears, so bear it in mind. But I'm pressing the button and we got clear trine of midheaven with the moon. It is 120 degree or 240 degree. You can check it. Let's change the settings on display menu on 360 degree, and you might see the difference is just the orb, one degree or 2 degree difference. So that's why it behaves. It's just 1 degree difference midheaven. So let's have a butchers. Let's have a look. 5:30 a.m. 23rd of July. Let's draw a line. It's somewhere here. Is it this one? No, it's 5:15. 5:30 is this line. Okay. And let's see how long would it last. It would last, well, a couple of minutes. It started disappearing, the square. It's 5:36. Let's see, and disappeared 5:43 and starts disappearing. It disappeared 5:48. Disappeared also the trine with midheaven. So we can check it again. As I told you before, when it's disappearing, it's more likely when of disappearance of the sign, of the aspect. So we got the first line. Let's go further. Don't make it too long. I just don't want to keep you bored. Here we go. It starts sextile. Sextile is starting 7:08. Let's make it. It's clear. Look how lovely it's. It's 60 degree difference between middle of midheaven and the sun, roughly. You can see 59, 120. So it's 61 degree, 60 and a half, whatever. So let's wait till it starts disappearing. It disappears long time. So let's see what's happened at the chart. 7:25, 7:30. Let's say it started earlier. Both started at 7:30. Okay, let's mark 7:30. Where is 7:30? Is it this one? It's 7:45. 7:30 is this one. Okay, we got next one. Let's go further. Let's see what's happening. 8 a.m. They disappeared. This sextile and this square. So it was the square. Here, sextile, they disappeared. 8 o'clock. Let's mark another one. 8 o'clock. Where is it? Is it this one? Yes, it is. Next one. And in this way, guys, we go further. Boom! We got another sextile. Midheaven and the moon. What time is it? Is it 9:37? So it started 9:30 and lasted. How long it lasted? Till 10:30. 9:30, 10:30. Let's see what's happened here. 9:30. Where's 9:30? 9:15, 9:30. That's the one, and 10:30 is the next one. Is it this one? It's 10:15. 10:30 is here. Boom. We got. Well, look how lovely it works. Let's go further. We got conjunction. What hour is it? It is 11:44. Has anything happened at 11:44? Let's have a look. 11:44. So it's 11:30 till 11:50. What is this? It's 11, 11:15, 11:30, 11:44. Well, let's go further. Let's see what's gonna happen later on. Nothing. We are already 1 o'clock. After 1 o'clock, we got another conjunction. 2:11 when it started. 2:10 to 11. So let's say 2 o'clock. We got conjunction. Let's mark it. Is it 2 o'clock? This one? No, it's 12:30. Is it this one? 13:30. 2 o'clock is here. Boom. We got it. Let's go further. Let's go further and let's see. Next one. It starts 3:20. It starts showing midheaven with the sun. Was it midheaven with the sun? Yes, it was. It was 3:30. Let's see whether anything happened. 3:30 is this one. No, it's 3:15, 3:30 is this one. When it disappears, that's important moment. 3:30, it disappears at 3:58, 4 o'clock, it disappears. So 4 o'clock, we mark it. Probably this one, it started, this sextile, it disappeared at 4 o'clock, right here. It's just small adjustment. Remember, always, not always, but most of the time, the aspect got confirmation in the price when disappearing. Most of the times, I say 75% of cases by my experience. Let's go further. What else happens? Here we go, we got a square. What time is it? It's 5:30, let's say, 5:15, 5:30. And how long does it last? Oh, it's another one, it's sextile. So let's make first one. 5:24, 5:30. It started disappearing somewhere there. 5:30 and sextile appeared. So we can say 5:30 is a decent time. 5:30. Which one is that? Is it 5:15, 5:30 is this one. So that's the candle. It cannot be precise every time, just an idea. So disappears the square of midheaven with the sun and starts appearing the sextile. And the sextile appears here up to, what time is it? It's 6 o'clock. 6, when it disappears. 6:35, so 6:30 should be a time, a proper time for disappearance. Okay, 6:30, where we are. Is it this one? 6:30 is this moment. And, well, that's how it looks like. What do you think about it? Just as an idea, remember, it doesn't work 100%. It needs some confirmations from the cycles. If you know to calculate the cycles by using the square of 9 or square of 19 or square of 25, good for you. If you don't know, find a book how to do it, or find a course how to do it. And if confirmed with the cycle in your particular time frame you are dealing on, then that is your turning point. As you see, quite a few of these turning points. It's on 15-minute chart, so if you change it to 5 minutes, it would be pretty good opportunity to make some money whenever. So you can buy here, sell here, not necessarily, buy here probably, sell here, because it's all just the corrections here. Here we don't know, was it a correction? Maybe it was a mistake. But with the cycle, it would work. The cycle would show exactly this candle. And after this candle and this candle, you know that it's a big pressure. Only knowing the candle formation and the forms of the candle, reversed hammers, you see big pressure from the top, the wicks, small bodies. It's a sign for sale, not for buying. So Write me in the comments, what do you think about it? You want some more of this kind of videos, or maybe you prefer something else? At the moment, thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.